To set a precise size for a picture while maintaining the relationship of length to width, you can resize the picture to a percentage of its original size. Click the picture. The Picture Tools Format tab appears on the ribbon. Click the Picture Tools Format tab on the ribbon. In the Size group, click the dialog box launcher. Word displays the Size tab in the Layout dialog box. In the Scale section, select the value in the Height box and type 200 as the new height value. In the Scale section, select the value in the Width box and type 200 as the new width value. Click OK. Word resizes the picture to